Hey guys, it's Teacher Dad. So today I'm going to be doing a review of the Ruko u11 drone. This is advertised as a 4K drone, and I'm going to talk a little bit about this. It's just under $200. You can find it on Amazon, and I'll put some links down in the description. And so I'm going to give you a little bit of a review. I've had it for about a week now, and have been doing some different tests with it. So first of all, what you have to do as you're getting started, every time that you turn the drone on from a new setup, you have to do a calibration. So it calibrates the internal compass. All right, now you can see here on the screen that it wants the calibration. So you need to spin this until you hear a beep. Okay, and then you need to spin it vertically. Then it will do a GPS calibration, and if you're going to be flying it, it's important to do the GPS calibration because there's a couple things. First of all, if you don't calibrate it, it does limit the height or the distance as well as its ability to track where it is and kind of self-stabilize. Additionally, if you were to lose the drone and you do not have the GPS tracking enabled, it will not allow you to try to locate the drone using the GPS map that's attached to the app. When you first turn on the controller, it goes into a flashing mode, and you'll press down on the left lever, and then it goes into its pairing mode. Now on the phone itself, there is an app that you will need to download. I'll leave a link down in the description of that particular app. So once that is finished, it's ready to fly, and to begin the flight, you will take the two controls, push them towards the inside bottom, and that will start the flight. And then you should be able to hear the sound that is on the drone here. All right, so first I'll just be taking it up and doing some standard video recording. Okay, so this does have what it calls a follow mode, and so I'm going to see what I have not yet tested this particular mode. All right, so as you can see here, the drone is supposed to be following me. All right, and then this mode is supposed to take the drone in a 360-degree circle around the subject. This one I haven't yet tested as well. Okay, so you can see the drone as it's coming down, and it is able to go up quite a distance. I can look in my app later here and show you the actual height that it achieved before it started to go into its mode, or what it would call like a kind of a recovery mode. So another thing is it does have 3 different modes of speed modes or whatever. So you have the three beats will be the fastest mode. You can go to 1, which is a beginner or slower mode, and then 2, which is an intermediate. Personally, I haven't seen a big difference between the 3 different modes. I'll show you a little comparison here. You can see kind of the speed of the drone. It is fairly quick. I've been really happy with that aspect of the drone. Well, hopefully you like that review, and thanks for watching. If you were interested in purchasing this drone or any other questions or things that you would like to see about this drone, you can leave those comments or questions down below. I'll leave some links down there as to where you could purchase this drone for yourself if you were so interested to do so. And so thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.